I'm Steve Lewis, and this is why Power Home. One word that would describe working for Power Home would be satisfying. You know, we get out there, it's just a normal home when we get there, and when we leave, it's a renewable source of power. I like working for Power Home because I know that I'm, making a difference in people's lives and helping with, the environment, and knowing that I get out there every day and get more solar panels out there is really satisfying. I got a good sense of belonging at Power Home pretty early on. My favorite thing working here at Power Home, the daily challenges we face. Every house is different, every job's gonna be different, and you might say, ooh, today's gonna be a challenge, but that's where the fun comes in. You get to figure it out. We are growing so fast, and we have gotten so large. The room for growth is there. I came in with very minimal experience. Since then, it's grown exponentially. I'm Steve Lewis, and this is why Power Home.